Welcome back to the world of transformative practices, where we unlock the power of our minds to reshape our lives. Today, we're delving into another profound concept from Joe Dispenza's Becoming Supernatural. Part 2. Meditation isn't just a trend. It's a tool extensively discussed in personal development books and even in professional environments to boost concentration. But Joe Dispenza takes it a step further by highlighting its role in breaking free from traumatic patterns. Why is meditation so powerful? It fundamentally changes your brain waves, which are the frequencies at which your brain operates. Here's the key part. Your traumatic patterns are buried deep in your subconscious. To change these, you need to reach that subconscious layer, and certain brain waves can help you do just that. Your brain oscillates between different waves, high-frequency beta and alpha waves for wakeful states and relaxed creativity, low-frequency theta and delta waves for deep meditation or sleep, rare gamma waves for intense focus or trance states. To access your subconscious and change ingrained patterns, you need to reach these low-frequency states where your brain is calm, almost to the point of sleep. Dispenza's meditation technique involves focusing your attention in stages, starting from parts of your body to your wider environment. 1. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and breathe deeply for 5 minutes. 2. Focus on different parts of your body for 10 minutes, noting every sensation. 3. Gradually extend your focus outward to sounds and smells around you for another 10 minutes. 4. Finally, visualize observing yourself from outside your body, even seeing yourself from above your city or from the universe. The goal of this meditation is to detach enough from your conscious state to access the subconscious. Here, you can serenely observe and eventually alter your thought patterns and the traumas that hold you back. Ready to break free from your limiting patterns? Start meditating using Dispenza's method today. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to transform your life.